Hello adventurers, and welcome back to my channel. I am enjoying my favorite thing to do in Leadville, which is just check out the Turquoise Lake area. I've been here many times before, but each time it's a little bit different. Currently, there's a ton of snow melt. So I went on a little bit of a hike earlier. It was beautiful through the forest. And now I just checked out this little pull-off. Wow. Let me show you the hike first. Almost there, and it is starting to sprinkle. The last time I was in Leadville, I did a rainy day video, just a really moody look at how I see life here in Leadville. It was mostly just so that I could look back on that and have that nostalgic moment of the beauty, because sometimes you need that. But now I'm gonna get to see it firsthand once again and share it with you guys. Again, the water has been moving through here, so I'm sure it's gonna be spectacular. But I'm pulling in, so as I pull in, wish me luck, and well, let's go see those views. Okay, I made it back to camp, and with that, I think you can see why I enjoy just going on these little adventures where I go around and explore a little bit. This costs absolutely nothing, and it's a great way for you to become familiar with an area. Leadville's one of my favorite areas to go to simply because there is so much natural beauty and it's so accessible. There's free camping here, there are beautiful places, and for the most part, people keep it pretty clean. However, I did see a little bit of trash and picked it up on my little hike today. Always be looking around. But with that said, just a little bit of gas in the tank and you can have your own adventure. Just find a beautiful place. It doesn't have to be here in Colorado, it can be anywhere. Go explore somewhere you haven't before, take proper hydration with you, and just have fun. Put some gas in the tank and drive a little bit. This is a wonderful way to just get out there and feel like you're doing something a little bit different. A lot of places have green spaces nearby, so go and explore those and have a good time. You know, life is too short for us to sit around and wait for that big thing. Instead, we should be making our own memories, and that's why I always say we're not here for a long time, but we are here for a good time. Thank you guys for coming along with me today on this beautiful scenic adventure. I hope that you have taken in these views and they've encouraged you to get out and do something epic. Till next time, guys. Bye!